You're advised that it is going to rain, probably no flooding, but it is going to rain. You wouldn't know it from the looks of the morning. I mean, James, look at the San Mateo Bridge. Beautiful sunshine, clear.
Yeah. Boy, what a stark contrast. Today will be when we compare it to what we're going to see tomorrow morning. Here's a live look from Mount Tam looking at San Francisco. Similarly beautiful shot out there. Over the next 48 hours, though, it's going to be quite a different story that we tell. Today, warm and dry, clouds building throughout the day and into the evening hours. Tonight, that's when the heavy rain comes in. Strong winds accompanying with it, and we'll break down in more detail here exactly what we're going to expect with that rain and with that wind. But Wednesday, the rains continue, primarily in the morning. That's when we're going to see the heaviest of it on Wednesday, and then it'll slowly taper off, becoming more scattered showers as we head into the evening hours. And then Thursday, too, we're going to continue to see more of this rain. So quite a bit of wet weather ahead of us here as we make our way through this Tuesday and on into Wednesday. Here's where the rain's falling right now. Storm Tracker 4 showing us that it's along the northern coast off Eureka, really scattered, nothing a whole lot, nothing really to it at this point. It's fairly weak, but there's a whole lot of energy out in the Pacific. You can really see it here on the satellite maps. A whole lot of moisture, a whole lot of cold air. Both of those are mixing, and it'll slowly start to track our way. So what can we expect with this storm? It's a good question. Let's break it down. First off, heavy rain, as I said, anywhere from 1 to 2.5, maybe 3 inches possible in the coastal ranges. Wouldn't put it out of question. Just depends on how long this storm sits on top of us before it moves on. And with that kind of rain, you can't expect the possibility of minor flooding, too. Some of these swollen creeks may go over their banks. Strong winds, too, 20 to 30 mile per hour sustained. Gusts up to 50, and that is strong enough when you've got the ground already softened up and saturated for trees to come down and the possibility of power outages. So don't be surprised if the lights in your neighborhood go dark at some point during the night tonight and into tomorrow morning. Power outages, something we're going to be dealing with. Here's how the rain is expected to play out. By 8 p.m., the first sprinkles arrive in the North Bay. More intense showers follow by 10, and the rain now Bay Area wide. By midnight, more moderate to heavy rains in the North Bay, and that's where we're going to see the bulk of our accumulation. Santa Cruz Mountain's also going to be seeing some fairly heavy rain, too. And as we continue to play out the timeline here, scattered showers continue through 4 a.m. Even at 8 a.m., the heart of the commute, still dealing with a number of showers throughout the Bay Area, although we're beginning to see it break up just a little bit, and it continues to do that as we head through the noon hour, too, becoming more scattered in the afternoon and into Thursday as well. Here's where temperatures are right now, 30s and 40s, fairly chilly in the North Bay here, back down to near the freezing mark, but we'll warm up here before too long. This afternoon, about 3 o'clock, we'll get up to about, 57 in San Francisco, so upper 50s throughout much of the North Bay, low 60s, too. And as we slide the maps, you'll see 61, 62. That's the general theme here as we make our way through the afternoon hours. Great afternoon on tap. Tomorrow, though, going to be rather wet. Here's your 7-day forecast. See how the week's going to play out. Wednesday, we've already told you it's going to rain. Thursday, scattered showers still. Friday, we have sunshine in the mix. Saturday, we dry out, too. But Sunday, the rain comes right back on in. All right, at 7:48.